My name is J. Veera Reddy, lecturer in computer science, Government Degree College, Sattupalli. My topic is multimedia. In multimedia, there is a text, graphics, animation, audio, and video. Already, previous session, we see in the introduction about the multimedia, definition of the multimedia, where we use the multimedia, advantages of the multimedia, applications of the multimedia, and components used for the multimedia, softwares used in multimedia, and for multimedia full introduction you've seen. Today this class we seen multimedia, just definition and multimedia components. Here multimedia has been used in many aspects in our lives. For example, in the field of business, entertainment, and the sciences, multimedia comes from the word multi and media. Multi means various. Media refers to any hardware or software used for communication. Here, multi means many, media. Multi means many or various. Media refers to hardware, software used for communication. Here, multimedia, an image, see here a butterfly, that is animation, PDA, next printer, CD, CPU, text, audio, and animation already seen. Okay, here these are the various and medias. Okay, these are all called as the multimedia. And current definition of multimedia in ICT. In the field of information and communication technology, multimedia means more than one use of the various media. More than one use. A computer user interacts with the computer to perform tasks such as finding information or play games to develop a skill. Thus, the meaning of multimedia has changed as technology advanced in our lives. Changed as technology in our lives. Here, in ITC tools, okay, here information and communication technology, ICT means information and communication technology. The various media a computer user interacts with the computer to perform the tasks such as finding information or play games or develop a skill. These are all. Thus, the meaning of multimedia has changed as a technology advanced in our lives. For suppose, audio in the previous years back, a couple of years back, a radio that is only audio. In the television that will be displayed, next generation television displayed text, graphics, audio and video and animation. Here the present we are using computer, text, graphics, audio, video, animation, okay, interactivity, okay, and total multimedia we are using in the computer. Here there is a lot of change in the previous and next generation to generation. Here this is the current definition for the multimedia ICT, using of ICT tools. There are many main elements of in our computer multimedia system. There are text, graphics, video, audio, and animation. Here, text and graphics are the static elements. Video, audio, and animation are the dynamic elements. Okay, here text and first one, text and graphics. Text, it is a static element. For the text, write any text here, that is anything. Next, an image, that is a graphic or static element. And the next one is the video, audio, and animation. Video, that is a dynamic elements. Audio also wavelength, that is also a dynamic, and animation is also a dynamic. See the examples for this dynamic elements. This is the five major main elements of this multimedia. The first one is text. Text is the basic element of the multimedia. It involves the use of text type, size, color, and background color. Here, text is the main element for the communicating the language or meaning. It is the main element for using the text. Here, text is involved the use of text types, size, color, and background color. In a multimedia application, other media or screen can be linked through the use of text. In the multimedia application, other media or screen can be linked through the use of text. This is what you are hypertext. To produce an effective multimedia program, these are three things that are need to be considered. They are: first one, the position of the text on the screen. The position of the text on the screen. Next one, length of the message and legibility of the text. These are the three important notes. Here you see the text. You write any text here, and you may select the text and change the color, change the font, change the background color, change the font color, and change the font style, and underline the font style, bold the font style, whatever it may be. You may change the text and highlights the text and insert the different type of text fonts, font styles, font color, font styles only. You want to more font styles, you may download from the other resources, and you select the font, what type of font you need. Already suppose you are using the Word document. In this Word document, a number of fonts is available, or PageMaker, photo or any Adobe Photoshop or anything, Adobe PageMaker, whatever it may be. You may use the number of font styles and font colors and font shapes. You write any font, you want to change the font shape also, you may change the font shape. Okay, these are the text. Okay, here next, graphic. A graphic is the main one of the one of the main topic is the graphics. Graphic make the multimedia application attractive. They help to ideas through the still pictures. There are two types of graphics used: bitmap and vector graph. Okay, what is the bitmap? Bitmap is a paint graphics, and vector graph is the draw graphics. Okay, bitmap images are real images that can be captured from the device such as cameras or scanners. Vector graphics are the draws drawn on the computer and only require a small amount of memory. Here this is a bitmap and this is a vector graphic. Here for suppose graphic is used to make the multimedia application attractive, whatever it may be. You may take the any picture or any image, like you have two types of pictures here. First one is the bitmap. Bitmap is nothing but the any photo or image or anything taken from the camera or the scanner or whatever it may be. You may take that is the graphic. Next one is the vector graphic. Vector graphic is nothing but the drawn by the by us in computer, that is a vector graphic. In the vector graphic, what type of graphic images you may take, you must or you may modify and attractive to the user view, and add some colors and add some patches and whatever it may be. It is a look like attractiveness in this screen, in this image or image. Okay, this is the bitmap and vector graphics. Next one is the audio. A multimedia application may require the use of speech, music and sound effects. These are called audio and the sound element. There are two basic type of audio or sound, analog and digital. Analog audio refers to the original sound signal. Digital audio refers to the digital sampling of the actual sound. The sound used in multimedia is digital audio. Audio or sound, analog and digital. Here analog, you see the analog, this is the original sound. Okay, analog sound is the original type of sound. Analog is the digital audio, and analog original sound signals. Digital audio refers to the digital sampling of the actual sound. Here this is the analog and this is the right side. In the picture we see the left side is the analog and right side is the digital. You may change the analog to digital, or you may create the digital sound in the system. This is the audio. Next, video. Video provides a powerful impact on the multimedia program. In the multimedia application, the digital video is gaining popularity because of the following reasons. First one, video clips can be edited easily. The digital video files can be stored like any other files in the computer, and the quality of the video can be still on the maintained. The video files can be transformed within a computer network. It allows non-linear editing in the part of the video. Here, these are the video powerful impact of the multimedia program. In multimedia application, digital video is gaining popularity because of the following reasons. Video clips can be edited easily. If you edit the video clips, it is easy, and digital video files can be stored like any other files in the computer, and the quality of the video can be still be maintained. The quality of the video can be improved and maintained definitely in any long time. The video files can be transformed within the computer network. It allows non-linear editing in the part of the video. It is a transformed video from one device to other device. used by the network. It is allows to non-linear editing in the part of the video. However, the digital video files are large in size. Transforming them, these can be take a long time, especially when you are using the internet. Is the videos. Here you see the videos here. The video is the multimedia application, digital video gaining popularity because the video clips can be edited easily, and the quality of the video can be still maintained. The transforming the videos easily from one device to another device by using the networking. The large amount of the finally the large amount of the video clippings are the size is very large, because you want to transfer one place to one device to other device using by the internet is take the few time. Next one is the animation. Here animation is the process of making a static image look like a moving in multimedia. Static image is a look like a moving in multimedia. Digital animation is used. Digital animation can be categorized into two board areas, 2D and 3D animations. Here first one is the 2-dimension and the second one is the 3-dimension. Here in the first image we see the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here you want to move the image, you must move the picture by one small moving to another picture. It is look like moving in digital animation. Okay, the digital animation can be categorized into the 2 or 3-dimension. Here you see the 2-dimension and 3-dimension pictures. This is the animation. And then standard file formats in multimedia. Once again you see the is a multimedia is a means various and media. It can be used in the animation, printer, CD, CPU, text and audio. Current definition of the multimedia is used to ICT, information technology, communication technology. It can be used in the previously it used a radio, then television. Now it using the fully ITC tool, that is a computer. The main elements of the multimedia is text, graphics, video, audio and animation. Here text and graphics are the static, and video, audio and animation are the dynamic elements. Here we see the image for static and dynamic. Text, first one, text. Text is involves the use of text type, size, color and the background color. Here text is the main communication for the language. Graphics, this help to the idea to the pictures. Here you have two types of pictures. First we have two type of graphics. First one is bitmap graphics and the vector graphics. Here bitmap graphics are the from the device which the cameras or scanners. Then vector graphics are drawn on the computer, only require small amount of memory. Here then audio we have a two type of audio. So first one is the analog and second one is the digital. This is the first one. Analog is analog refer to the original sound of signals is analog, and the digital audio refer to digital sampling of the actual sound. First one here picture, you see the analog, that change the analog to the digital like this. Then the video, in the videos are multimedia application. The videos is gaining popularity because the main reason is editing easy, the video editing is easy, and the files compared to quality, the video files quality is very good in the maintained still anytime, and the video files can be transformed from one device to another device using the network. And the last one is the video clippings can be transformed from one device to another device through internet. It is a very taking the few time because the size is very large. Animation, here animation is the image look like the moving. Here you take the picture, in the picture we have 4 pictures, a small corrections in the pictures because the moving of the picture look like this, and the pictures are 2D and 3D animations. Here you see the first one is the 2D and second one is the 3 dimension images. Okay, here then the here this is the animation. Then the next topic is the standard file formats. Here each of the five elements maintain the various standard file formats. File formats is a particular way to store information in a computer. What is a file format is? File format is a particular way to save the information in a computer, and these formats will allow you to make decision of the type of the text, graphics, audio, video and animation to use when developing your own multimedia program. Here text can be stored in .txt, .doc, .rtf. This is the text format you have to save, and the graphics can be used .jpg, .bmp, .tiff, .psd, .png, .gif, and the audio can be saved as the WAV, WANS, AV, MIDI like that, and the video clippings can be saved as AVI, MPEG and MOV like that, and the animation can be stored as SWF and GIF. Okay, these are all the file formats can be saved in the system in a storing the information in the system. Okay, then text files here .doc you can use it in Microsoft Word document. .txt can use ASCII. Okay, .rtf rich text format. Audio files can be WAV, graphic icon is okay, full name waveform. MIDI musical instrument digital interface. ALT audio interchange file format. AV audio. WMA Windows media and audio. .jpg joint photographic can be referred here. Then WWAV, this is audio files waveform. MIDI music and instrument digital interface. Okay, audio interchanging file format, AV audio, WMA Windows Media Audio. Here graphics files, here .jpg file format, Giant Photographic Experts Group, GIF, graphics interchange format, TIFF, tagged image file format, .bmp, bitmap, .png, portable network graphics, PSD, Photoshop document. Here the video files are AVI, audio video interviews, .mov, QuickTime, MPEG, motion picture experts group, WMV, Windows Media Video. Okay, SWF, this is animation files, SWF, flash and shockwave, GIF, graphics interchange format, SWJ, animation switch format. These are the file formats using the 5 components in multimedia. The interactivity of the multimedia. Next up, the interactivity of the multimedia. If you use the first multimedia application, the content progress without you having to control the flow of the movie. Your only control is to press the play and stop button. This interaction is called as linear interactivity. On the other hand, the second multimedia application allows to decide which part you would like to view, on how much you want to know about the current. This information is named non-linear interactivity. Here you want to play, you want to stop, you may stop or play. The interactivity of the multimedia. Medium of delivery. Here medium of delivery, the multimedia based on the multimedia, here multimedia technology and internet technology. Okay, the multimedia technology is used to develop the multimedia, and the internet technology is used to transform the data one device to other device. It is the based on the multimedia. Okay, next CD based multimedia. Here this is the CD based multimedia. The multimedia can be stored in the CDs and web based and CD based. Okay, here web based limited in picture size and low resolution in videos. On web based you can store high end multimedia elements such as videos. Okay, can be changed, damaged or deleted by irresponsible individuals, can permanently stored on the not changeable. Okay, here information for multimedia can be uploaded easily and is cheaper. Information on the multimedia can be quickly outdated. This is the CD based. Okay, here we see the web based and CD based. Here CD based is the web based is the low resolution videos, CD based is the high resolution high and multimedia elements such as videos, and resolution can be very high. Here can be changed or damaged or deleted by irresponsible individuals. Here web based there is a not fully secured. Here CD based can be permanently stored or not changeable by anyone. Here information for multimedia can be updated easily and it is cheaper. In the web based is easy to change and uploaded. Here information on the multimedia can be really outdated. Here not possible to upload the CD based. It is outdated every time. This is the web based and CD based technology. Here we seen the data types can be stored in the multimedia. These are the file formats can be stored in the these are the text, graphics, audio and video file formats and animation file formats. These file formats can be full forms of the file formats. Here text file formats and audio file formats and video file formats, animation file formats, graphics file formats. These are the file formats for the full name, and these file formats used to save the information different formats in the memory. Interactivity of the multimedia is interactivity to play and stop the move buttons using the interactivity. This is a linear interactivity. Here then the medium of delivery is multimedia technology and internet technology, and then the based on the multimedia, the CD based on the multimedia. Here internet technology is the difference between the web based and CD based technologies. This is the 5 components in multimedia. Then thank you.